The account of the blind man and the clay is a profound blueprint for restoration within the pure record. When the man stood before the source of life, the process of his healing was not a single moment, but a series of jurisdictional actions designed to reclaim his physical sovereignty from the 66 matrix. First, the application of mud. By mixing saliva with the dust of the ground, a direct connection was made back to the original creation of man. This was a physical reclamation of the elements. It served as a notification to the system of infirmity that the architect of the clay had arrived to rewrite the broken code. The mud represented the messy transition, where the old signal of blindness was being extracted and replaced by the original blueprint of sight. Second, the command to wash. The man was instructed to go to the pool of Siloam, which means sent. This required the man to walk while still in his condition, moving by faith rather than by sight. This act was his formal motion to vacate the blindness. By physically washing away the clay, he was demonstrating non-consent to the darkness. He had to participate in his own 88 victory by removing the veil of the world to reveal the vision of the kingdom. The reason the healing was not instant is to show us the necessity of the process. In our own lives, the mud we encounter, the challenges, the time it takes to heal, and the steps we must follow is not a sign of failure. The process is the alignment. It teaches us that we are not passive subjects, but active ambassadors who must walk to the water to finalize the restoration of our own sanctuary. Every step toward the pool is a step out of the 66 matrix. When you wash away the old perspective, you don't just see the world. You see the truth of the pure record. Shine your light. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.